Look.
Rip it. Rip.
Oh. Rip it again. Look. What?
Oh.
Oh.
At Hamilton Beach.
Yeah.
Isn't that what we have in the kitchen?
Yeah. Oh. Come on. Yeah, look. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in here.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
I see something yellow.
What is it?
What is that?
Oh.
Coco, it's not for you.
What's that?
SpongeBob! He's like, I'm gonna sit in it right now. Look at there! Coco, leave it alone. No. Come here, baby girl. Look at what Berkeley got.